see how this AI sales agent can be created. Let me first show you how this AI sales agent is going to work. I have already created my AI sales agent, and right now I'm just going to receive a phone call which I'm just going to show you live in this video. So let's just wait till I'm receiving this AI sales agent phone call. So as you can see, I'm receiving this call, so let me just pick it up.
Hello, Ritika. This is Sandy calling from Secure Life Insurance. I'll only take about 2 minutes of your time. I'm calling to share some information about our latest insurance plans and exclusive offers, understand your coverage needs, and see if we have an option that suits you. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it is.
The reason I'm reaching out today is that your policy with us is either coming up for renewal or we have some new coverage options that may be a great fit for you. I wanted to take just a few minutes to understand your current needs and share what might work best. Does that sound all right?
Yes.
To make sure I can point you in the right direction, could you tell me what you are currently looking for in terms of insurance coverage?
I'm looking for a life insurance right now.
Have you used health, life, or motor insurance before? Or is this something you're exploring for the first time?
No, I have used life insurance before.
What are the most important things you would want your insurance to cover?
So as you can see, it has called me, it is collecting all the details and further replying accordingly. Yes, we just have to set this up once and it is going to call each customer and do this repetitively. You don't need a human to do this, AI can do this for you too. And once this call is completed, what you can do is you can go on this call history and you can check the call history too. I'm just going to open the history of this call. So as you can see, this is the call, and over here you can also see the recordings and the transcripts too. So right now it is saying in progress, but after a few minutes it is going to update to completed, and once the status is completed you can check the recordings too, the transcript, and you can also see the extracted data, which is the call summary. Apart from this, you can also check this recording right over here. So let me just check that if the status is completed right now or not. So over here it is still showing in progress. So let's just first move in further, learn how to create this, and then we're going to come back over here to check the recording. Okay, so now let's see how we can create this AI sales agent. To create this AI sales agent, you just need Bolna AI and Pabbly. So right now you can try this for free if you watch this tutorial till the end. What you have to do is you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can make up to 100 of calls for free using Pabbly Connect, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, which is you. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, build this automation with me, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now let's see how this automation can be created, or how this AI sales agent can be created. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder. This is the most important window because we have trigger an action on this. Let's not go into technical terms, let's just see how this automation can be created. For that, first of all, you have to make sure that you've added all your customer details in a Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets where I have all the customer details to whom I want to make this phone call. So what I'm just going to do is, I'm just going to first connect this Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, okay, and then we're just going to connect it with Bolna AI. For that, we have to click on this add trigger button and select Google Sheets as the application. For the event, choose it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. We have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to search for an extension right over here, which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure to install this extension, which I have already installed. After you install this, you have to make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very crucial step, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in this extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So just paste the webhook URL and enter the trigger column right over here. So as you can see, this is my webhook URL which I copied from my workflow, and the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So right now I want to send these three details, which is name, phone and email, towards my webhook URL. So my trigger column is C. If you want to send two details like name and phone number, your trigger column will be B, and so on. If you want to add the policy number or the rest of the details, right over here, if they're an existing customer, you can add those details too and change the trigger column according to your own choice. Now after doing this, you just have to click on the submit button, and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we have created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to go back towards your sheets and click on this send test. Now it is saying test data sent successfully, so it has sent this first row towards our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. First, we're just going to make this phone call to this first row, then we're just going to learn how to make it to all the customers at once. For that, you have to click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, in order to make this AI call, we are just going to use Bolna AI. So just search for Bolna AI right over here and select Bolna AI, or you have to search for Bolna and select this Bolna right over here. For the event, you have to select it as make phone call and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Bolna AI and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection, and it's asking for the token. So to get this token, what you have to do is just follow the description given. After you log in, open a dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on developer and then click on create new API key. So let me just open my Bolna AI. From the left hand of the side, we have to go on this developers. After we come over here, we have to click on this create new API key. This API key is created, so just copy the API key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Click on this save, and your Bolna AI will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created successfully, before we move in further, I'll just let you know a few things. Over here, you have to make sure that you've already created an agent. Like I've created this agent named Sanvi over here, where I've entered all the details like the welcome message and the rest of the details according to which I want to make this phone call. How can you create an agent? For that, click on this add new agent button, and over here you have two options: auto build or start from a template. So if you want to go, you can browse the templates, but if you want to auto build, you can just click on this auto build. You just have to enter the agent name, you have to enter the industry, designation, company name, company description, and the rest of the details. Move on further, and you can enter the conversation details and the closing details, and the agent will be created successfully. I also created this agent right now only. Like this, you can create your agent, you can customize the welcome message, you can also add variables right over here. If you want the agent should call and say your customer name or your lead name, you can simply enter that variable right over here. To add the variables, you have to enter it in curly brackets, and further we're just going to enter the details over here of that same customer name, or you can say variable. Apart from that, you have to make sure that you go on this providers and you choose your provider. I've chosen it as Twilio right over here. You can choose your provider and connect your provider directly. Apart from that, you have to also make sure once you enter the provider, you have to go on your agent back and you have to go on this calls, and you just have to choose the same provider right over here too. This is a very crucial step. This agent is going to call using this only telephony provider which I've already connected in your Bolna account. Okay, after this you are good to go. Come back towards your workflow. You just have to choose the agent right over here and enter the recipient mobile number. So over here, as you can see, the recipient mobile number is already received in the previous step. Okay, I have this mobile number which I'm just going to enter, but I'm not going to copy and paste it right over here, but instead I am just going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put a slash, open the response of Google Sheets and map this phone number right over here, because this number is going to change with every new response received. Okay, now it is saying from phone number, so this will remain same every time, so you just have to choose it. If your Twilio account or any another account is connected, it will be automatically coming right over here. Just have to choose it. Now it is saying call schedule date and time. This is the most important field. What you have to do is just put a full stop right over here and click on the save button. You have to get this date and time, but over here to make sure that the date and time should be in UTC time zone. This is the format of the date and time. Okay, so you can enter the date and time manually right over here, but I'll suggest you generate this using the Pabbly's action step. One most important, what you have to do is first of all just copy this format right over here and close this. Now between Google Sheets and Bolna AI, add new action step. Over here search for date time formatter by Pabbly, which is a feature by Pabbly. This will not consume task. Okay, now for the event you have to go on this modify current date and click on this connect. What we're going to do is we're going to schedule this call 10 minutes after we have received the details from Google Sheets. Okay, so for that I'm just going to simply first of all select the date format which we have copied. We're just going to paste it right over here. This is the same format, so choose it. For the time zone you have to select it as UTC because it was mentioned there. For the operation select it as add. For the unit select it as minutes, and I'm just going to add 15 minutes. What I'm just going to do is in the current date and time I'm just going to add 15 minutes, and that date and time will be the call schedule date and time, which I'm just going to map further, so that once I receive the details after 15 minutes the call should be made, so that the call should be made accurately. Okay, if we make the call instantly there might be chances that the call fails. That's the reason I'm just going to do this. Now let's just click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received this result, which is going to map right over here in a Bolna, which will be the call schedule date and time. Delete whatever is written right over here, put a slash and simply map the result right over here. After you map the result, it is saying additional customer details, so you just have to switch on this mapping button and enter the variables right over here. So if you have entered the policy number you can enter that. If you have entered the customer name you can enter that. I have entered customer name, so I'm just going to type customer name right over here. So I'm just going to type customer name. This is the additional customer details, right? So I'm just going to simply enter it and the field for that will open. I'm just going to put a slash and then simply map the customer name which we have received from Google Sheets. After we do this we just have to click on the save and send test request, but before I click on the save and send test request I'll just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. You don't have to do this step if you have real customer details in your Google Sheets. I have dummy details, that's the reason I have to change it. Now I'm just going to click on the save and send test request button, and you're going to see we have received this positive response which says status scheduled done. Yes, this call is scheduled successfully. Now we have successfully scheduled the call for one customer, but I want to schedule for all of them. For that I'm just going to go on this extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you have to click on the send all data. Once you click on the send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow. This workflow is going to collect the data, modify the current date and schedule the call for all the customers in this spreadsheet. Apart from that, if you want that whenever you add the new customer details the call should be scheduled for them too, then you have to go on this extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. Once you switch on this button, whenever you are going to add the new details the call will be scheduled for them too. So like this we have successfully learned how to create an AI sales agent, and like I showed you in the starting of this video, exact same way it is going to call all your customers and collect the details. Once the details are collected you can check it right over here. I'm just going to show you the recording right now, and you're going to see over here this call is scheduled which we scheduled right now. Apart from this, this was the completed call where we have all the recordings, the user recording and the assistant recording too. You can collect all the details. Like I said, I'm looking for a life insurance, so it has collected the details for the same. No, I've used the life insurance before, it has collected the details for the same too right over here. You can check all the details right over here, which is the extracted data too. You can also hear the recordings right over here. Like this you can also check the total cost, duration, average cost and the average duration too. We have successfully learned how to create an AI sales agent using Bolna AI and Pabbly. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow you can directly comment on this video. For a reference I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Further, if you want, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Instead of keeping multiple people to do these calls, you can simply create this one AI sales agent who is going to solve all your problems, which will be professional, which will be confident and collect all the customer details. So do give it a try. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.